What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, we are doing Boxy Premium, and this is also going to be the giveaway video for this month on my YouTube channel. You guys know I do these giveaways every single month just to make sure I appreciate you guys for all the hard work that you guys do, but also just so I can give back to you guys because you guys are always supporting me in my YouTube journey. So again, we're so close to 700 subscribers. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe down below because you know you want to, and you also want to be a part of these giveaways, and you're going to have to subscribe anyways if you want to enter this giveaway. So yeah, don't forget to go ahead and do that. Anyways, let's just go ahead and jump into this box. And without further ado, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, hello, I do makeup, I do beauty, makeup, and lifestyle videos. I post 2 to 3 times a week or as much as I can. I do monthly giveaways, all that types of jazz. Obviously, we're going over a Boxy Luxe. I unbox these subscription boxes every single month, and at the very end of them, which is in this video, I always do a giveaway. So anyways, I'm jumbling over my words. Down in the description box will be all the information that you guys need to know on how to enter into this giveaway. I'm fumbling over my words because my battery is flashing at me and I don't think my backup battery is fully charged yet. So I'm going to try and push this battery to its limits as quickly as I can. So we're going to go ahead and just jump into this and see what we've got going on. Again, this is Boxy Premium. Boxy Premium, you get 6 full-size products. The price of this box has changed so many dang times. I will link it or put it here on the video. Again, if you guys ever want to try out Boxy Charm or Ipsy, things like that, I always have it linked down below along with any other promotional codes or stuff that I have for you guys. So again, don't forget to go ahead and check that out. If you didn't see my previous video where I did a battle of the boxes between Ipsy, the Ipsy Base Glam Bag Plus and a Boxy Charm Base Box, then definitely make sure you guys check out that video before this one so you can kind of see what is in the giveaway and just see the kind of items that we've had going on in case you're ever interested, like I said, to subscribe to any of these subscription boxes. So again, like I said, we've got 5 full-size products. Same things we had before, Boxy Spring Reveal. This is it. Man, I've got a headache coming on. This is really sad. And I don't know why. I think it's maybe because of the sports bra I'm wearing, which is really, really tight. And I think my body's just kind of getting annoyed to it because I've had it on almost all day. So we're going to kind of get through this as quickly as possible so you guys can see what's in the giveaway. So right off the bat, again, this is an extremely, I obsessed, love this. It's $42. It is a Natasha Denona cheek duo. So this is the Cupid Cheek Duo. It has a cream blush and then a highlighter. So it looks like we've got the cream blush in Glow, which is a cream base. Then we've got a highlighter, which is a Glow Universal Pinkish Beige type of highlighter, and they basically just go hand in hand together. You put the cream on first and you put the highlighter on top. This is A+ for packaging. Natasha Denona, thank you for coming through. Another reason why I love Boxy Charm, because I'm gonna be honest, Natasha Denona, yours is expensive. And all the stuff that I've gotten from Natasha Denona so far has been from Boxy Charm, so that is dope as hell. So cool. Already starting off, that one item is already worth the price of the box, I know for sure. So yeah, there is that. Then the next item we have in here is an Endota hydrating lip balm. It just says vitamin E and peppermint oil. This is what it looks like. It's worth $25. I'm curious as of what it actually looks like, just to kind of see what the packaging is. So it's just kind of like this. It looks like it's in a squeezy tube type. Is it concealed? No, it's not. So I'm not going to fully open this all the way or like anything like that. I'm just going to go ahead and add this into this month's giveaway. So there's an item that is going there. Then next we have a My Beauty Brand by Me product. This is new to Boxy Charm. It is just a black liquid eyeliner. It is worth $20. So that's kind of cool. You can never have enough black liquid eyeliners. This is what it looks like. It is a felt tip. I'm not very keen on liquid eyeliners that are like that. I have a felt tip. I like more like a brush tip to it. I just feel like they're not as stiff as these can be, and then I feel like these kind of like tug a little bit. So I'm going to be honest, I'm going to go ahead and put this into this month's giveaway because I think you guys would benefit from this more than I would. So there is a black eyeliner. Again, that is $20. Then we've also got a, what is this? A Mitchell and Peach English Growers Body Oil. Okay. This is a new brand to BoxyCharm as well. This is worth $68. It says it's blended with almond oil, vitamin E. This decadent body oil leaves skin soft and scented. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So it just looks like a typical oil. Nothing really special about the packaging. Just very sleek and simple. Again, $68. I'm going to be honest, this is not my thing, is body oils, because I have acne prone skin. Yes, I do have dry skin, but like oils on my body, I just feel like it's just a weird thing to me. I'm just not into that. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the giveaway as well. So there is that. Then the next two items in here, I've got a Murad product. This is a clarifying oil-free water gel. Everyone's coming out with some type of like water gel. Neutrogena has one. I think Neutrogena did like a dupe for another brand, and then everyone's duping that one. So very interesting that there is a water gel in here, but I definitely love that because I have one that's by Ilamasca, and I love it, and it's almost gone. So definitely keeping this, and that is worth $46. And then another item I've actually always been wanting to pick up when the whole like soap brow kind of thing came out. This is the iconic London Brow Silk. It's $25. It just says for all types of hair. It is all the best of bits of a soap brow waxy gel in one silky conditioning balm. It is clear, unbeatable lift, holds with zero chalky residue and crunchiness, grips every single hair. Brow Silk boosts sparse patches and makes arches appear thicker to save precious brow fill in time. So $25. I know exactly what this product looks like, and I'm pretty sure Makeup Revolution tried to dupe this from what Iconic London already had. So they literally look exactly the same from the Makeup Revolution one. It's both a square package. You open it up, looks exactly the same just like this, except this is $25. And then it has a brush. But the brush is like a toothbrush. Like, do you guys see this? It's literally like a toothbrush that you're supposed to go in here and just kind of like just brush up your brows and then call it a day. So this is like a really big type of brush. I'm interested to see if this actually really works. Recently, I know in a video, I forget where it's at, I'll link it down below for you guys, where I kind of talked about the new e.l.f. products that came out for brows. They've got the e.l.f. Soap Brow and the e.l.f. Brow Lift. So if you guys want to see that video, I will link it down below or link it up here somewhere for you guys to go ahead and check out. But yeah, so that is the premium box, and let's just go ahead and see what the total value of this box is. This one's obviously supposed to have a bigger value in it as well compared to the base box. The base box is supposed to be over $125. The premium box, because they're adding the 6 products, is supposed to be over $175. So let's just see what we got here. I know we already beat it because of the $68 oil, but still. So $42 Natasha Denona, $25 Iconic London, $46 Murad, $68 the body oil, $20 for the eyeliner, and $25 for the lip balm. That comes out to being a total of $226. Again, I think this one is, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out which one. The Natasha Denona just kind of threw it out of the park for me. The Iconic London is great. The Murad. So I would say 50% of this box I really, really do love. The other half is kind of like meh, which realistically I gave those items away to you guys because they're just not my fancy. I'm just not really interested into them. So, but yeah, that is everything that it is in the Boxy Premium box for this month of April. Now, let's just go ahead and jump into the giveaway portion of this video so you guys can see what you're winning for this month. Alright, so for this month, it's a little bit different compared to other past months. Again, we kind of have a mixture of everything. So we've got 6 products going into this bag this month. You've got a blush for the makeup side, you've got a lip balm for the makeup side, and an eyeliner for makeup. And then as for like skincare, kind of gave you 3 items for skincare. Gave you the body oil, the Ahava foot cream, and then we also have the Celia facial cleanser. So those are the 6 products that are going in for this month's giveaway. Again, all the details will be linked down below for you guys to go ahead and win. There's extra ways to win as well. So again, like I will have all of the details in the description box down below. So thank you guys so much for being here this month. And yeah, I'm not sure exactly when this video will go up. I'm gonna be honest, I have to edit these videos sometime soon this week because I leave for vacation next week, and my editing stuff that I use is on my fiance's laptop and not my laptop. So I'm trying to like massive film so I can at least release a few videos next month or in this month. So yeah, and I definitely need to still film the video for the RBSG group. Hopefully I can get that done on Friday. Okay, anyways, so I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for being here on this video. Like I said, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, turn this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!